Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Kid Weight Set is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce your child to the world of fitness. This set is designed specifically for kids aged 5 and up, offering a safe and engaging way to build strength and coordination. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this weight set stand out, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for your little one. Number 5. Tovla Junior Kid Safe Knife Set. This kid's knife set is designed to safely cut fruits, veggies, and more. It's a great way to get picky eaters excited about food. Unlike toy sets, this Montessori-inspired set prioritizes safety while teaching real kitchen skills. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for birthdays or Christmas. Lightweight and BPA-free, each knife is sized for little hands and has serrated edges that slice food gently. Kids are more likely to try new foods when they prepare them themselves. These knives encourage independence and hands-on learning. It's a fun family activity that builds confidence. The set includes 3 sizes, perfect for every stage of your child's development. From soft fruits to larger veggies, this set is built sturdy and ready for everyday kitchen adventures. It's reusable and designed to last. Tovla Junior is a top choice for families and educators. It's the ultimate starter kit for sparking a lifelong love of cooking. Thousands of families trust it. What we like. This knife set is designed with safety in mind, allowing kids to cut fruits and vegetables effectively. It encourages independence and hands-on learning, making cooking a fun family activity. If you are looking for a way to get your kids excited about healthy eating and develop their kitchen skills, you should consider this. What people say. These knives have been perfect for my girls learning to cut. They aren't sharp for crazy hands, but they do cut the food perfectly. Safe for kids, the design of these knives is fantastic. They're made specifically for children, with a non-slip handle and a blunt edge that allows my little one to safely participate in meal prep without any worry of cuts. They can chop soft fruits, vegetables, and even cheeses with ease and safety. The knives are just the right size for small hands. They're easy to hold and maneuver, which gives my child a sense of independence and confidence in the kitchen. Number 4. Born Toys Kids Costume Set Ages 3 to 7. This complete dress-up set includes firefighter, police officer, and doctor costumes. It comes with matching accessories, perfect for pretend play. It's a great way to let your kids explore different roles. Made of soft, lightweight polyester, this costume is comfortable and easy to wear. Your child can play for hours without any discomfort. The material is gentle on the skin. The costumes are machine washable, making them easy to care for. You can wash them repeatedly without worry. It's designed for repeated use. It comes with a handy storage box to keep the costumes organized. This helps to keep everything in one place. It's easy to store when not in use. This set is perfect for sparking creativity, role-playing, and costume parties. It encourages imaginative play and helps children explore different characters. It's a fun way to boost their creativity. What we like. This set includes firefighter, police officer, and doctor costumes with matching accessories. Made of soft, lightweight, and washable material, it's perfect for repeated use. If you like encouraging creativity and role-playing, this set will be a hit. What people say. Authentic-looking outfits with equipment to help with imagination. A unique, dress-up selection for little girls with 2 very pretty, princess-like costumes of mythical characters, a mermaid and a unicorn, and 2 realistic outfits of inspiring professions, firefighter and astronaut, in which women have excelled for variety and learning in make-believe play. The kit is complete, simple la petite pompe que l'on peut remplir d'eau et asperge. Le casque est réglable en fonction de la grosseur de la tête. Number 3. Brink House Gypsy 4 Light Crystal Flush Mount Chandelier. This beautiful flush mount chandelier is designed to brighten up any room. It's perfect for entryways, dining rooms, or even the bedroom. It will surely add a touch of elegance to your home. You can install it in various locations. From the nursery to the garage, this light fixture fits seamlessly. It's a versatile choice for any space. The chandelier features high-quality acrylic crystals. These crystals are incredibly strong and lightweight. They are made from the same material as bulletproof windows. Designed in Austin, this chandelier is made for easy shipping. It folds flat to reduce damage and waste. It arrives almost fully assembled. Assembly is simple: unfold the arms, position the cups, and connect the strands. It uses E12 chandelier bulbs, which are not included. The chain hangs up to 23 inches from the ceiling. This product is UL certified, ensuring the highest safety and quality standards. You can trust it to provide reliable and safe lighting for your home. What we like. The chandelier features an innovative design that folds flat for shipping, reducing damage and waste. It's easy to assemble, making it convenient for any space. If you are looking for a stylish and safe lighting solution that is easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. The fixture was folded flat in a cardboard housing and held stable for shipment. This enabled the fixture to come out of the box and simply unfold with zero assembly required. The quality of the fixture surpasses the expectations of this price point. The center stem is glass and adds sparkle to the fixture. The acrylic gems or crystals remind me of AZ Gallery fixture we purchased. Number 2. Disney Minnie Mouse Read with Minnie Sound Book. This enchanting sound book brings the beloved Minnie Mouse to life. It's designed to make reading fun and interactive for young children, helping them develop a love for stories. With the press of a button, the book comes alive with sounds and voices. This feature enhances the reading experience, making it more engaging and memorable for kids. Follow Minnie Mouse as she embarks on exciting adventures. The stories are carefully crafted to be age-appropriate and captivating, keeping children entertained. The book not only entertains but also helps children learn. It's a great tool for early literacy, helping them recognize words and build their vocabulary. This sound book is perfect for young readers. Its interactive features and engaging stories make it an ideal choice for parents looking to encourage their children's reading habits. What we like. This book features an interactive sound experience with the beloved Minnie Mouse theme. It's designed to promote early literacy skills in a fun and engaging way. If you have a young child who loves Minnie Mouse and you want to encourage their reading skills, this is perfect. What people say. Perfect for a 2-year-old girl who likes Minnie Mouse. Fun and interactive. Helps with early reading skills. Minnie's voice is cheerful and clear. Number 1. How to Draw a Book for Kids, Step-by-Step Guide. Are you looking for a fun and engaging way to spark your child's imagination? This book is the perfect tool. It provides a simple, step-by-step guide to drawing cute and silly things. This book breaks down drawing into easy-to-follow steps. It makes learning to draw fun and accessible for kids of all skill levels. They will be amazed at what they can create. From adorable animals to funny characters, this book teaches kids how to draw a variety of fun subjects. It's a great way for them to express themselves and develop their artistic skills. No prior drawing experience is needed. The book's simple instructions and clear illustrations make it ideal for beginners. It's a fantastic way to build confidence and foster a love for art. This book provides hours of entertainment and creative exploration. It's a wonderful gift for any child who loves to draw or wants to learn. They will enjoy it. What we like. This book provides a simple step-by-step guide to drawing cute and silly things. It's designed to help kids develop their artistic skills and boost their creativity. If you like encouraging your child's artistic side, this book is a great choice. What people say. The weights are the perfect size for my 5-year-old. The set includes a variety of weights, allowing for progressive overload. The weights are easy for kids to grip and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.